So we're on the ferry. We're kicking off the IgersMelbourne Port Phillip Ferries Instameet here in, well, we're Docklands at the moment, on our way to Port Arlington? Yes, Port Arlington. I can tell I've researched this. And then we're going to go down to a winery, Scotchman Winery. I've been there before, it's not bad. And we'll see how we go. And there's also the Worldwide Instameet today as well. Worldwide Instameet 16. Kind comments is the theme, so we'll see how we can incorporate that to the day. And we're here in Port Arlington. So we're here at Scotchman's Hill Winery. The new showroom they've actually got is the old converted residence of the old owner of this area. So right now we're just getting a talking to about the wine. So I'm trying to be quiet because they're actually talking inside right now. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Amazing location. The moss on the tree is, I'm fascinated by it here at the moment. But I'm going to be quiet as I come into the room so you can hear. And we're on our way back, finished at Scotchman's Hill Winery, where hopefully, if we've got enough time, going to swap at a canola field that we saw on the way here, so that'll be cool. But we'll see how we go. So we did manage to get to at least one canola field, so now I want to get more of these canola shots. I know I've seen a lot of them before, but I've not had the opportunity to actually shoot them. So this is really cool, so I'm really excited. Thank you. We managed to get up onto the bow of the boat as well, so we're just sitting here at the very, very front, out looking to Melbourne. Actually, Melbourne's actually over there. Whoops.
Henry at the boat to tell us to turn around and go back.
See you next month, maybe. And we're here in Port Arlington. Port.
I saw you.
Having our tour around. It's quite good. They've actually moved up to the old house. The last time I was here, we're at the new one, which is kind of weird. So their new one is now their old one, and huh?